Hey guys, welcome back to another studio vlog. You know what? I am feeling really good the beginning of this week. Had a long weekend, enjoyed my time with my kids, going to basketball games and practice. I think my energy level is great. I had some medical issues going on, but I'm not going to get into that. So today I am actually working on some more key rings. I got a request from my children. So this is one key ring. She wanted her color, and then the other one gave me very specific instructions and what she wants on hers. So I'm going to work on that too. It has been nice to take a little break actually, and I wanted to kind of talk about motivation as an artist. Sometimes it's really important that you take a break because it gets just way too overwhelming, and it's just sometimes it's not good for your soul, and you just need to take a break and relieve the pressure and all that stuff. So I have just like a whole bunch of ideas that I want to do. I have some paper bookmarks that I have been putting off to be doing mandalas on, and I think I'm feeling motivated that I'm going to make some by hand, laminate them, and then also list them and sell them on my Etsy shop. I'm still going to be doing some digital art off and on. I'm hoping that I'm going to start getting back to doing more regular content here soon on YouTube and other social media platforms. So please make sure to follow me there to get the most updated stuff, and you can follow along with these tutorials. I want to say something. I need your guys' help. If there is anything that you would like me to cover or talk about more, please let me know. Because I would be happy to provide any kind of help, whether it's art, craft, business. Taxes are coming soon, so that is fun, and every state is different. So I don't think I can provide a whole lot of information on that, but I will do my best. So what I'm going to be doing is working on some more key rings this week, and I'm going to try to film as I go throughout the week. I'm hoping eventually getting a actual camera is going to make filming these vlogs a lot easier, because it's actually really hard because I use my cell phone, which is like max on its memory, and then I'm also trying to film like reels and shorts and just all the things, and I just don't have two cameras to be recording at the same time, which makes it a little bit more difficult. And if you've got suggestions, if you're a content creator, please, I will accept any help or ideas that you have. Let's do it. Man, I'm just all over the place, and I'm excited and I'm feeling good. It's been a while since I've been feeling good. The weather is not the best today, so I took a nap after I dropped off my daughter. I have another daughter here that's sick. She has a cold. Don't worry, she's fine. She's not being neglected. She's fed. She's just resting. It's just a cold. She didn't want to have to go to the nurse, and the nurse called me and say that she has to go home. So we just decided to just leave her here with me today, and I've been spending all morning with her, and I am actually going to check in with her before I start filming. Throughout the week, you might see me not like in this normal attire, so I just wanted to give you a heads up that this is kind of going to be a filming through the week, and then I will try to drop my videos every Monday morning. So I appreciate every single one of you, and let's get to work. I think I might actually paint some rocks too, because I need to get back into painting rocks and then sealing them and hiding them around my community in random places. So I'll also share that too once I get enough to share or to hide around. So thanks a lot, and let's go. Hey guys, thanks so much for hanging in there and watching this video with me. I cannot tell you how much it means to me. So now that it's coming to an end, make sure that you like, subscribe, leave me a comment. It really helps me in the algorithm. And I would really appreciate, tell me what your favorite part of this video was through the week. I am so grateful for every single one of you, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.